Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook one of my favorite street food called pav bhaji. It's a Marathi recipe that has become very popular throughout India. We can have it as a meal or tiffin. We can have it as day-to-day meal and as special occasion and festival meal. It has many vegetables, so it is healthy and tasty. There are many ways we can do it. In this video, I will show how I like to make it. Please watch till the end as I give many tips or recommendations, explanations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Make this recipe at home, share this recipe with your friends and family members. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. Heat mustard oil 6 tablespoons in a pan till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. Add diced potato 2.5 cups or 3 potatoes. Skin is peeled off. Diced carrot 1.5 cups or 1 large. Skin is peeled off. Diced bell pepper or capsicum 2 cups or 2 large without. Salt 2 teaspoons. And turmeric powder 3 teaspoons. Peas half cup. Fry in medium to high heat for 7 to 8 minutes. We can add any other vegetables of our choice, but capsicum or bell pepper is must. Instead of frying, we can boil the vegetables and then cook into a curry with the masalas. However, I have seen that if we fry the veggies, then the bhaji or the curry tastes very nice. In the meantime, heat butter 5 tablespoons salted. In low heat in a pan, make sure butter doesn't burn. We can use butter entirely, we can skip butter and use oil, or we can use a combination of butter and oil. But butter gives a very nice rich taste. Add cumin 1 tablespoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add finely chopped onion 3 cups. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Add oil or butter if required. Add garlic paste 2 tablespoons and ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Add Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 2 teaspoons. Coriander powder 2 teaspoons. Add kasuri methi half teaspoon or as per taste. Pav bhaji masala 3 tablespoons or as per taste. And finely chopped tomato 4 cups. Cook for another 5 minutes in medium to high heat. I will not add salt because the butter is salted. If unsalted butter is used, then please add some salt at this stage. Add oil or butter if required. Tomato puree can also be used. In the absence of tomato in the house, use tomato sauce or ketchup. Cook till the oil separates from the masala or oil floats on top of the masala. The masala is done. Now transfer it to the fried vegetables. Add finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro 2/3 cup. Lemon juice a little less than 1/4 cup strained. Mix well. Alternate. Boil the vegetables and mash them. Make the masala. Mix the masala and mashed veggies with some water. Cook masala for 5 minutes in medium to high heat with a lid. This is called koshano. After 5 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Stir for 1 minute. Add water 2 cups. Mix well. Add butter 1 tablespoon. Cook for 10 minutes in high heat. After 10 minutes, this is how the curry looks. Stir for 1 minute. Cut a potato to see if it is cooked. It cuts through without any effort. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. The curry is perfect. Switch off the gas and allow the curry to cool a bit. After cooling, with a vegetable masher, mash the veggies. The water will evaporate and the curry will be drier. Tip: it is best if instead of cooking the veggies in a karai, we cook in a pressure cooker for 10 minutes. It will be very easy to mash, or hardly mashing will be required. I always recommend that even if we have mashed veggies and then made curries, always mash later as well to mash any onion and tomato lump remaining in the curry. As you can see, the curry or bhaji is mashed nicely. It also tastes wonderful. We can serve it with pav. To get the street red color, we add red food color to the bhaji. The red color looks like this. Never add color powder directly to the food. Always take some red color powder in a bowl, then add some water to it and mix it. Add the red color solution to the curry. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes before serving. The amount of red color will depend upon how red we want the curry to be. With red color, the curry looks like this. We get Bombay bread or pav like this in packets. So each pav packet will have 6 pav. They are stuck to each other with hands. Break them. With a knife, cut it into halves. Put butter on both parts and sides of the pavs. Do the same with all the pavs. Keep them aside. In a tawa or flat utensil, heat butter 1 teaspoon in low heat. Butter must not be burnt. Add pav bhaji masala 1/4 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1/8 teaspoon, and chopped coriander leaves or cilantro few leaves. Saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Put the side that was cut on the masala. Press the pav so that the masala is soaked by the pav. Then flip side. Gently press the pavs with spatula so that the pavs does not get flattened. They maintain their swollen look. Flip side and press again. Roast the pavs for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. This is one way. Way 2. Just put the pavs with butter or without butter on the tawa and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides and serve. Serve hot with hot bread and hot bhaji with butter on top of it. It must also be served with a salad comprising of finely chopped onion, a slice of lemon, green chili, finely chopped tomato, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Serves about 4 to 5 people.